What's up, loves, and welcome back to the pack. If you're new to the channel, I want to thank you for coming. Also, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap on that bell so you can turn on all post notifications so you can keep up with the pack. So now, let's get right into this video.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to LuvA'Bully Kennels. Today, we're making bully milk for the puppies. But instead of it just being milk, we're going to put it in some mush to help them gain some more weight. So I already put my evaporated milk in there, and it wasn't enough, so I put a little bit of water. And I'm going to add my pumpkin.
Okay, so what she did, excuse me, because she started already. We usually just use the goat's milk back there, but today she want to try a new ingredient. So she's using evaporated milk. She used 1 whole can of evaporated milk, a whole can of water. How much of this you gonna use?
Like a couple spoons, like 2 or 3 spoons, maybe 4. Then I'm gonna put some sauerkraut.
Next to the blender. Put it next to the blender.
Juices and all. Alright guys, I have a different spoon because this is the mayonnaise we eat off of. So I'm gonna use like 2 spoons. Make sure to clean up. Now we gotta blend it. Alright, this is what it looks like after it's blended. We're gonna put some, well, I am gonna put some dog food in here. Alright, y'all. So, I got my kibble. And then I put the bully milk in there. And then I put some beef in there. And now I'm finna feed Onyx. Give me a sec. Okay. I think he gives it a 10 out of 10. This build, he got some big muscles. Also, check out our video. Well, I think my mom is still editing it, but when she's done, check it out. It's about how we went to the dog show. You should check it out. Alright, y'all. So I have the bully milk, and I mixed it with kibble, and I put some beef. This is 73% lean and 27% fat. I'm gonna go give it to them. It's not liquidy, but it's good enough for them to lick up. Onyx finished his food. And if you're my mom talking, that's her alive, so. You want to put them over here to eat?
Yeah. You know what? We can put them in the pool to eat because they're going to make a mess.
Alright.
Because she's still at like 2 point weight.
I'm gonna make it. See how they like it. Go eat. Go eat.
That's Phantom with the yellow collar. Bandy.
They turn it up, mommy.
Bandy twin right here. See this Bandy? That's Bandy. Bandy twin. That's both.
They like it. Ooh.
So,
Ooh, look at him from the side.
that's my baby special recipe.
Oh, look at him from the side. That would be a good snack.
She called it bully milk. And he make his way in there. He don't play.
You want to eat. Alright, I'll be back.
That's it for today's video. And as always, I want to thank you for coming to our channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap on that bell to turn on all post notifications. Y'all be blessed.